There have been a great number of advances in industrial IoT, whose goal is the improvement of productivity and the creation of new business models, since Germany began its promotion of Industry 4.0 in 2011. Sensors are playing an increasingly important role as they make it possible to predict failures by diagnosing equipment operation conditions and detecting manufacturing process irregularities. Hopes are particularly high for the vibration sensors as optimal sensors for preventive and predictive maintenance. Piezoelectric ceramics and their benefits. KEMET has developed various products based on the piezo-ceramic technologies it has refined over the years. These products are used in a wide range of applications. Piezo-ceramics use the piezoelectric effect, which converts sound waves, vibration, pressure, and other applied forces into electrical energy, and the inverse piezoelectric effect, which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. KEMET's vibration sensors are products which apply these piezoelectric effects to visualize invisible vibration. Wide bandwidth, high sensitivity. Factories and other sites produce various types of vibration, such as, for example, motor and bearing vibration. KEMET's vibration sensors offer a wider bandwidth and greater sensitivity than competitors' MEMS and other sensors, which have limited measurement zones. Their frequency range is from 10 Hz up to 15 kHz, and they can detect minute vibrations of as little as 0.003 meter per second squared. Easily embedded in devices. Another feature is that they can easily be embedded in devices. Connecting competitors' vibration sensors to devices requires the use of signal conditioners or charge-sensitive amplifiers. On the other hand, KEMET's vibration sensors are embedded with amplifiers, so they can be directly connected to devices. They also operate at low voltages of 3 to 5 volt, so they can be connected not only to measuring devices and PLCs, but to microcontroller modules as well. We use development concepts possible only as a material device manufacturer to develop easy-to-use, cost-effective products. KEMET offers a lineup of products to fit your usage environment. Our thin sensors achieve 2.9 mm thickness with weight of 1 gram. Our oil-resistant, waterproof, dustproof sensors feature a detachable cable design. KEMET's vibration sensors can detect low-level vibrations and are adopted as essential devices in industrial IoT, supporting the realization of predictive maintenance, quality improvement, and failure prevention measures. There are also high expectations for the application in other areas, such as infrastructure. KEMET makes invisible vibration visible.